Nah. Sneakers. Hey, hey.
The other way.
That way.
No, the other way.
This way.
This way's the bump. This way is okay.
That's what it looks like. Dad's award. It's okay, I'm videoing.
As long as you're not straight at it.
I don't want to. Okay. Staying outside Mamadi's and we're bored and cold. And so Drew's gonna do the Rubik's Cube.
Mine was funnier.
Ready?
I just didn't want to do it again because, you know.
Go. Okay, we started at 10 seconds, so let's see how long it takes.
Oh my gosh, no.
Go, go, go!
I can't.
All the pressure.
The pressure. Under pressure. Well, so I have a crowd out here in a minute.
No. I don't think anybody really cares.
Nobody even knows.
Yeah.
Under pressure. Oh, I can't do it today. Sorry. Sorry, YouTubers. Oh, see that? I didn't even look at it. I was just doing it. Oh, snap. It's heating up. What? I don't even know what I'm actually doing here. I like how it's just reflex. I don't even know what I'm actually doing.
Surely you do.
I don't know like the up, left, right, whatever that is. I don't know that.
I'm the same way. I couldn't tell you how to do it.
No.
And since I haven't,
it's like that.
It takes me way longer than it used to. And now that I haven't done it in so long,
I had it down.
I'm way more prone to messing up.
Bam.
Oop, got the yellow top.
Oh snap.
I gotta switch the corners.
This one took me forever. Like, I used to just figure it out as I went. Like, oh, that looks close.
I gotta swap the middles.
Oh, I have to swap it twice though.
Oh.
It's gonna take me forever.
There you go. There you go. Oh, yeah, I do.
I told you, I'm not lying.
And done. Woo! Okay, my turn. It took you.
Oh my
okay,
gosh,
so it was at
so
like
long.
1:59, so it took you a minute and 50 seconds or something.
Alright, recording. Mix it up. Go, go.
Yeah. Okay, hold on, film.
I'm film. I don't know. Moddies. Oh my gosh, she's not.
Ready?
Okay, if you could do it.
Wait. Okay, tell me when to start so that you can remember the time on there.
In 5 seconds.
Okay. This is gonna take.
Ready, go. If you could actually do it by memory from like what you mixed up, that would be more impressive than doing it.
Yeah,
it's normal. His face of consternation. I don't know what that word actually means. Consternation. Sounded sophisticated, doesn't it?
I'm trying to phone call. My pants are vibrating.
And me and my sophisticated words and your pants are vibrating. You're a Corvette. You.
And it's taking forever.
Well, it's already been. There you go. 1 minute.
A minute?
Yeah, a minute.
Yeah,
I had it down to like 1 minute 10 seconds at school one time. I had a whole crowd around me. Well, that was like 1 minute and 8 seconds. Woo.
I used to be able to do it in like 42 to 45 seconds.
No, you didn't. No, it was 50.
No. I got it down to the 40s.
I don't believe
you. I
you.
used to be able to do it at 40s. Damn it.
It's a lie.
No.
Burger King.
That was when I was really, really good though. I used to be really, really good at it. Oh, Mom just called me.
Sam.
Celeste's room. It's all different. Wreckage.
I meant to put some videos up of us cleaning it out, but I have no idea how to use the new video editor, so that's why I don't have...
So I'm going to teach her right now.
That's why I don't have videos for the last 2 times that I had mine, because yesterday or the day before, yeah, the day before me and Daniel were together, but the day before that and yesterday I was by myself and I don't have videos because I don't know how to edit them. So my life is bad.
So now I'm going to teach her.